People get confused when they do their statement of values and they want to know how often it should be done. Well, the truth of the matter is it should be done on an annual basis, but don't shoot the messenger. The first time it's going to be a little bit of a chore for you to get through this thing, but that's okay. You really only have to deep dive one solid time, and then every year after that. It's just a matter of taking a look at what the values are and adjusting those as necessary. One of the best ways you can do this is to get a list of assets from your accountant. If you've reported everything to your accountant, they should have a list of assets that you have, an assets register that they can send to you. And that's a great place for you to start when you're listing out all of the things that you would like to have covered by property insurance. Now listen, I am not one of these people who is a huge advocate for you to insure every single penny of every single thing you have. I think it's okay for you to take a little risk and have some skin in the game. It also helps you control your premium, but I want you to be educated when you do that. The problem with not doing a statement of values on an annual basis is that the policy language is pretty clear that the carrier is going to go back to the last statement of values that you have on record. So if you did one 5 years ago and your business has grown at 20 to 25% per year, then that 5-year-old statement of values is not going to be accurate, and God forbid you have a claim, you're going to end up with a coinsurance penalty more than likely. So take some time and do this right the first time. Then every year after that, you're literally just going to go through your line items and make sure that your values are accurate based on current replacement cost. If you have any questions at all as you go through this process, feel free to reach out. I'm happy to answer questions anytime you have them.